Hello and welcome back to the channel. Well, it's December, and as we know, the December nights are drawing in where it's nice and dark and cold and miserable for everybody, but also the mornings. And one of those things that some of us have to do is walk our dogs in the dark, and also some of us are braving the outdoors as well. Now the thing is, those dark nights bring dark times, and we need a way of lighting up our way, and that's where a company called Sunblesa has stepped in. They contacted me and asked me if I wanted to road test their new Sunblesa 2022 to 2023 H11 head torch. Not only one model, but two. So before I get into unboxing these, I'm going to let you know that one of these is going to be yours, and it'll be delivered to you before Christmas. So watch out for the hashtag in this video. It can happen at any time. It's only going to flash up on the screen shortly, but what I want you to do to be able to win one of these, okay, is put that hashtag in the comments and with your preference of which model that you would like sent to you. So without further ado, let's see what these are all about. The first one I'm going to unbox is the Sunblesa H11, H11. Okay, this one is the white and red version. We have, if I turn it the right way around, a lovely hard shell case. Beautiful. It really is good quality. It's I'm squeezing it and there's no give in that at all. So let's have a look, see what's inside. So it's a clamshell box and opens up just like so, as you can see. Beautiful. And inside here we have our mandatory charge cable. Now this is like a, I don't know if that's a USB, it's not a USB-C, it's a micro USB. Okay, we've got our mandatory instructions. I will say read them at your peril. And we've got the Sunblesa head torch just there. Look, what a beauty that is. So the Sunblesa head torch is there. It's actually a really good small size. I'd say it was probably about 4 centimeters this way, maybe 2 centimeters this way. Okay, we've got a lovely light, white light there, and we've got 2 LEDs here, which is a white and a red, I believe, on this one. Okay, we've got a waterproof on and off switch here, and we've also got a little waterproof flap, and that's where we would charge our light, which is great. It also has the the swivel function as well, so you can, whatever degree you wanted it, so you can see everything. It's got this lovely strap. Okay, so we've got a little bit of reflective there. It is fully adjustable as well, and it says Sunblesa. It says Sunblesa on there. Now on the screen, I'm also going to be showing you some pictures right now of the actual head torch. So if you're not seeing this on video correctly, you can also see. But there is a link in the description to the Sunblesa website, and also a link to Amazon affiliate link, I will say, where you can actually buy this product. So what have we got? We've got a head torch that fits perfectly on your head. Okay, and it's exactly, you don't even know it's there. Okay, it is 45 grams. 45 grams in weight. And not only that, it's really, really comfortable as well. So you're not going to be, you know, you're not going to be having any problems with this being over heavy. One thing that I've been reading in some of the comments on Amazon is that the torch isn't working. Okay, now I'm pressing the button right now and nothing's happening. Okay, and there's a good reason for this, because it is a safety lock. Okay, to unlock this, and I'll show you right now, to unlock this you get the two top buttons here. Okay, and so to unlock this you get the two unlock buttons here. Okay, and you just press them both at the same time and the red light will come on. Okay, that now indicates that the torch is ready to use. So let's have a look at the functions. Let's talk about the functions. Okay, on this side we've got the white light, and there's 3 different levels there, as you see. So we've got 1, 2 and 3, which is the brightest. That is a maximum of 365 lumens, I believe. Okay, on this side we've got the red light. Okay, so that's the normal lighting functions. Then we've got this. Hold it down for a few seconds on the red side, and now we've got the red strobe. It's actually an SOS signal. Press it again, and now we've got the red strobe, and we got off. Now if you've got the torch on, whichever level this is, okay, I've got this on the main, if you just press both buttons down at the same time, wait for the light to come on, it is now locked. Okay, doesn't matter what you do, it's not going to come off. Now this full power light, by the way, is a 40-minute light. Okay, and to also be able to turn it back off again, you just do so like so. So that is the Sunblesa H11 red and white. Okay, beautiful, beautiful head torch. And we'll just put that over there. So moving on to the second version. Okay, the second version is exactly the same. Okay, you got this hard shell here, beautiful clamshell. Let's open it up. Inside, pretty much the same, exactly the same charge, same instructions. It's all there. Now the only difference here is, okay, so the same strap, is that the buttons on the top are grey on this one, and at the bottom where your charge flap is also grey. Same principle, hold down the 2 buttons. Okay, that unlocks it, and we've got the same features. So we've got brightness. The only difference is we've got a red light, okay, and we have a green light. Okay, why would we want a green light? Well, if you're into fishing, that green light is not going to disturb any of the fish that's in the water. If you're out into wildlife, you know, nighttime wildlife, I'm also going to say that it's not going to bother any of the wildlife either, because they can't see the light apparently. So you've got a good array of features on here. Also with green lights you can look at a map, and it actually defines the map a little bit better than it would do if you were looking at it through red light. But all in all, fantastic. Okay, they both are 45 grams. They both are, you know, 200 hours. They're both 700 milliamps. Putting them up together, they're both pretty much identical in every way. Only difference would be the you know, the on and off buttons there. So that is the Sunblesa head torch, the H11. All the links will be in the description down below. Have a look through, go and buy them. You will not believe the price tag on this torch. Okay, I've seen head torches in this price range that are not as good as these. I love these. I don't know which one you're going to choose to win, so if you have seen the hashtag, write it down, put it in the comments, tell me what one you want. Just put in red or even just green. Okay, if you want the green, you're going to get that one, okay, which is the grey top. And if you want the red, you're going to get that one with the green buttons. We'll be doing the draw a week today. So today is Monday. We're going to be doing this next Monday. Okay. I will do the draw. Maybe I'll and then I'll put the names of the winner, or the name of the winner, into my community page on the channel. You've got 48 hours to contact me, and I will then send you your new head torch. So with all that being said, thank you very much for watching. I know it's a bit of a different video onto this channel. I hope you found some value in this. Go and have a look at their website. Go and have a look on the Amazon. Click to buy. Under £25. Could you believe it? So go and have a look. For me, I'll see you on the next video.